This is a Cavitron daily routine maintenance video. End of day, you're all done. Turn Cavitron off. Remove your air line and release the pressure by pushing in on the valve at the end. Also relieve the water pressure over the sink, preferably. That way the Cavitron is not sitting with pressure on it overnight or over the weekend. Doesn't put any stress on the equipment. Next, you can remove top to the powder bowl using your air water syringe, air only. Clean out any powder that's in there. If there's any built up powder throughout the day, or if you're just starting your routine maintenance, you can wipe it out with a paper towel. If it's built up, put a little moisture on the paper towel. It should dissolve anything that's built up. Make sure to go back with your air syringe and dry everything thoroughly to prevent contamination of the new powder the following day or Monday or whatever. Next, you remove powder bowl chamber. On the bottom, there's a silver nut with an elbow. Unscrew this. Make sure you don't lose the O-ring in the bottom of that. You can also clean that a little bit. Put a paper towel underneath to catch any powder that falls out. Remove your powder bowl and discard of any powder. Do not save the powder or reuse it, because if there's water contamination, you put it back in with the rest of the powder, contaminates that powder, and then you have clumpy, clogging powder. So discard any powder at the end of the day. Blow everything, clean it all off, air water syringe. Inside the bowl also. And again, if you have any buildup, you take a damp cloth or paper towel and wipe the bowl and the top out. An O-ring, there's an O-ring in here. Make sure you don't lose that. And don't break this part off either. If you do that, this Cavitron will not work anymore. Make sure everything's clean and dry before reassembling. Put the bowl on first. Make sure it's tight so there's no leaks. And carefully put the elbow and nut back on. Generally, the elbow is facing forward when it goes back in to prevent the hose from pinching and causing the powder not to come out. Should sit in there. And then Cavitron's ready for powder following day. Turn your unit off and you're done.